Good afternoon, my super scientists. So things are a little crazy right now. If you haven't noticed, you were supposed to be at awards tonight, but we are no longer going to have awards tonight. Because I don't know if you've heard, but the weather might get a little crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to have them right now. So you see all my friends over here kind of scrambling to make sure the judges did an amazing job. So what I need from you right now is to give your biggest thank you to our judges who did an incredible job. Quick time. Thank you. So I have a few special people to thank really quick. My first and foremost is I have two board members here who helped to do the judging. So if you can, Mr. Ray Gregson and Ms. Karen Boudreau, give them a special thank you for helping us. And as a very special treat, I have Superintendent Dr. Orling to say a few words to my very special scientists. So give him an applause.
Good afternoon. Okay, I'm Dr. Orling, for those of you who don't know. So I am the superintendent, so I'm kind of like the principal of principals. But most importantly, the thing that I really take a lot of pride in is that I was a science teacher. And I got my inspiration to be a science teacher by the science fair, right? Our science fair. So I remember the very first science fair project that I ever put together with my grandmother. So that was like my grandmother's thing. One. She loved doing science fair projects. I was in second grade. I don't know how old I was then. Probably what? Maybe 7, 6. How many? Anybody in second grade?
No, 7, 8.
About 7 or 8. Okay, so that was 41 years ago. Wow. 41 years ago. Okay, my grandmother got, let's do a science fair project, and I remember the name of the science fair project. So I'm gonna see if you know this. What makes a blue jay's feather? Oh no. It was, are a blue jay's feathers really blue? Can anybody answer that question? Now, before you answer, because I saw a lot of hands go up very quickly, you have to think about the response, because you're all scientists in here, right? You all conducted a little experiment on your boards, so you had to come up with a hypothesis, right? You had to conduct an experiment, come up with a reason why you support or not support your hypothesis. So are a blue jay's feathers truly blue? Yes, sir.
Yes, because if they weren't blue, the blue would be.
Okay, that's good. He says yes, because if not, you wouldn't see blue, right? Anybody else? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because some animals get their names from the color of blue.
Absolutely. In fact, scientists all over the world typically will name something that they discover based on something that they associate with or the phenotype or what it looks like, right? Okay, yes ma'am, one more.
If they actually weren't blue, if you went up close to a blue jay, would they not be blue? Or would they?
And that was answering my question with another question, which is what scientists did. So, I'm going to give you the short of it, okay? Because I still remember this.
So if you take a... I can talk without a doubt. However, if you take a blue jay's feather, you cut it up into tiny pieces, you hold it in the palm of your hands, it'll actually be gray. All right? Those little feathers will actually be gray. A blue jay's feathers or wings are very unique. Okay? The shape of their wings and what's underneath their wings is really what actually gives
the feather, the blue look to you. Because what happens are that there are little pockets of air, what they call keratin. Okay, keratin is found in your skin. And what color is your skin typically? Some shade of brown, right? That's what typically is your skin color. So actually, if you take that keratin away in these little pockets underneath the wing of a blue jay, then actually the color, the light would not be absorbed and refracted in such a way. It basically absorbs all the colors in the color spectrum except blue. Blue is actually refracted, which is what is absorbed in your eyes when you see this blue jay's feather. So what does that mean? Basically, a blue jay's feathers really are gray, okay, or brownish gray. But because of the light going into these special little pockets underneath the wings, underneath the feathers, It's absorbing all those other colors and retracting blue. So blue jay's feathers, if you ever are asked, are not blue. They're really gray. Okay, and it's very unique. There are not, in nature, there are not many blue animals or blue creatures. And it's usually because of that, that it's very special circumstances that blue is refracted. So with all that said, so I'm telling you this story, right? Because, that stuck with me and really inspired me to be a science teacher, right? To invest my time into learning how things work in the world. And that's what you're doing. That's what you're starting. Use the opportunity that you've learned today from doing your science fair project, or maybe over the last period of time, to ask the next question and the next question. Because the more you learn about the world around you, the better person you're going to be in whatever field that you eventually go into. So, I want to congratulate each and every one of you for starting that process, for inspiring yourself, asking the question, putting together the work. I'm sure your parents were very thankful that you did it as well. I know in talking to some of the judges, who I very much appreciate them coming this afternoon and this morning to judge. Thank you so much. Just in talking for a very short period of time, each one of them were talking about science fair projects that they had done. So thank you. Thank you, science teachers, for inspiring the gift of questioning to our students. And I look forward to seeing who won the overall awards. But you all won in the game of life, right? You all are winners in asking those questions. So thank you and have a great day.
All right, friends. So how this is going to work is I'm going to first start with the senior division, which is high school. So we'll do their awards. As they come up, you guys will grab your awards, and then we'll take a group picture. So after you grab your award, you're going to walk over to the backdrop over there that says the St. Charles Parish one that Anna is displaying for us, and Mason's going to take your picture. Then we'll go into the middle school, and then we'll finish up with elementary, each of your categories. Sound good? All right. So for our senior division today, for biochemistry, first place is Mariah Green from Hahnville High School. All right, for environmental engineering, first place, Tracy Engel at Hahnville High School. And for microbiology, first place, Sophia Campos from Hahnville High School. All right, and that is our senior division. We're going to move into our junior division. Same thing, as soon as you get your award, you'll head over there. Once all the junior division is done, we'll snap your picture real quick. All right, so first and foremost, we have chemistry. In third place, we have Isabella LeBlanc at R.K. Smith. All right, in second place, we have Amanda Bucher and Vanita Hang from Albert Hammond Middle. All right, and for first place, we have Eva Roussel at R.K. Smith. In our biomedical and health sciences, in first place is Jordan Sykes from R.K. Smith. And for earth and environmental science, we have first place Rondell Clark from R.K. Smith. All right, and that is our junior division. For the elementary division, I will call each one separately. So your division was Earth and Environmental or Biomedical, and then you will go down and take your picture separately. All right, so our first category for elementary is Earth and Environmental. We're going to start with honorable mention. We have Charlie Bordelon from Scheffner for honorable mention. All right, also for honorable mention, we have Thomas Kokomore from Lakewood Elementary. Also for honorable mention, we have Royal Mott from RJV. All right, in third place, we have Nolan Cook from Lakewood Elementary. In second place, we have Thomas Durham from Lakewood Elementary. And in first place, we have Drake Foray at RJV. All right, for our next category, for our biological, we have a first, second, and third place. So for biological in third place, we have Caitlin Bass. For second place for biological, we have Abdul Amin. And for biological in first place, we have Spencer Robin from Norco. All right, for chemical sciences, we have a first, second, and honorable mention. For our honorable mention, we have Yvette Nicely. In second place, we have Elise Walker. And in first place for chemical sciences, we have Desmond Daigle. And for our last category, in physical sciences, we have a first, second, third, and honorable mention. For honorable mention, we have Jaden Manuel. place, we have Harrison Cranford. In second place, we have Marshall Swicegood. Even though he doesn't remember me, even though I taught it to Sarah's for 3 years. I saw him every day getting off the bus. And in first place for physical sciences, we have Kanan Haydell. All right, friends, so what I need from you is a